So I was a kid and I wanted to edit my MySpace page. I was trying to get like 50 Cent music to come on when you joined in. And I remember like having the coin because 50 Cent was my favorite artist, kind of still is up there, my favorite artist growing up. And so I wanted to like just get the 50 Cent coin like tiled across, which was pretty cool. Did you know you can go exclamation point and hit enter? It like populates like what you need for HTML. I only found this out like 3 days ago. It blew my mind. All right, so it's Nathaniel's MySpace page. We want to set a background as a picture. So we need to find a picture of a coin, like with a 50 Cent.
Why don't I look for a picture of a coin while you do the next part?
Okay, cool. Which one? I'm trying to even remember what was on my like MySpace page. Anyone else remember?
You had like usually a profile, sort of. I feel like I'm conflating it with early Facebook, which is a problem.
Yeah, it all blends into one. They're all copying each other, to be honest. All right, so now what we need to do is just add our CSS. Brown image. Hold on, all of this is just like terribly formatted. I'm preparing to find the like silly thing that I've done wrong. Oh wait, URL. Gonna hit save.
I think you have to do it for the whole body. Let's move this.
Cool.
Pretty sure you just do background size, :auto. I thought that there was like a.
Can't you go like cover? Background width? There's cover.
Yeah, I thought because I'm.
Let's make the writing white because I remember I enjoyed the white. So like, is it text color? I think no, it's just color. But that isn't even 50 cents. I'm so disappointed. But also DMCA, like DMCA. I don't even know what it stands for. I just know what it means, and it basically means you can't play like music that doesn't belong to you on streams and stuff. Go shawty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. We don't give a it's your birthday. You can find me in the. Okay, I gotta stop.
What were the differences you noticed between the first time you did this and now?
Well, see, the first time I did this, I didn't care about getting it up on the internet. But like now, I legitimately like have to think about that. It's really weird actually, because now when I think about websites, half the time I don't necessarily think about how they look. I more think about how can I make them stay up there really fast and like get to everyone's computers really fast. So it's like a whole different set of problems. The same way that I Googled CSS just now is the same way I was Googling CSS back then. And the same way I'll still be Googling CSS in the far future.
So if we were to comment this, how should we do this? Should we comment this with normally I like give people a rhyme scheme or something, but like, you know, this was about a particular 50 Cent song. Should we like rewrite the lyrics as comments?
Oh, yes. Yes. Wait, hold on. I'm trying to like find the right 50 Cent song. Go shawty. John's. What's his name? John? What was his name? The name of the person that you got with Facebook? It wasn't John, it was like Bob. Tom. Go shawty. It's your birthday. Tom is your only friend on your webpage. Go shawty. It's your webpage. Tom is your only friend on your webpage. Yeah. He's like, when I pull up out front, you see the inline style. When I roll 20 deep, it's 20 lines in the profile. Like, buzz. We need like one of those sound effects that goes go shawty. It's your webpage. Tom is your only friend on your webpage. But then it's a different song, isn't it? When it's like, oh no, it's when it gets to the verse. When it goes, when I pull up out front, you see the inline style. When I roll 20 deeps, 20 lines in the profile. You expect something else. All right. We did it.
If you liked this video, subscribe and turn on notifications, and check out this other cool video that you can watch right now.